Good evening, truck guys and gals. Progress on the Gladiator. We've got the rear bumper here queued up for install, so I get my pintle hitch back. I was originally going to use the LMTV front bumper as the back bumper, but I've gone away from that. I'm going to use this, and it'll get mounted in such a way that it protects that radiator hanging down there. And I've made some progress on the front. The front suspension is just about done. One more bolt hole to put in there. Got these guys mounted up. So the front spring's where it's gonna go. So next thing is to mount the steering box, and then the steering shaft up into the cab. Once that gets mocked up, then we can figure out how the batteries and the fuel tank are going to go. And yeah, it's going to be sticking out quite a bit in the front, but you know, that's determined by the length of these springs. Not a whole lot I can do about that. The springs and the steering box, and the once we put on the radiator support and the front grill and all that, that's only going to come out to maybe here, and that gives me room to put a big giant winch right there. That's what I'm talking about. So it's slow going, but weather's been crappy here. By that I mean rain and cold. You know, here in Tucson, you know, water freezes at 60, so that seems cold to me. Anyway, see you guys next time. Bye.